Example 9 on page 349. Factor out 4 terms. Okay, let me rewriting the problem, the original problem. Y plus 12. All right. Now, how do we factor 4 terms? Sometime you may start, okay, let me factor something. But look at this. This is a constant term. The rest has y, okay? But if you do that, for example, you start with, okay, I only factor out the y, okay? So all the first 3 terms right here, only factor out the y. How about the constant term 12? That means you not really factoring out the last term, right? So I would not recommend you do that. I would start with, maybe look at 2 terms at a time to see what's happening. Look at the first 2 terms. There's a common factor, right? The largest common factor is y squared, right? Y to the 3rd power, y squared. So I know that y squared, the largest common factor of the first 2 terms. If I factor the y squared, I get y here, because y squared times y is y to the 3rd power, plus y squared times what? Equal to 3y squared. 3, right? Because y squared times 3 is 3y squared. So we just factor out the first 2 terms. How about the last 2 terms? What is the largest common factor of this term for y and 12? Look at the 4 is the largest common factor, right? Because 4 times 3 is 12. All right, I'm going to factor out the 4. 4 times what is y? Got to be y, right? Plus 4 times what equal to 12? 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Okay? All right. Let's see if I finish factoring yet. Do I? Not yet, because I still have a plus sign here. When I say factor, mean you factor out, so you only have factor, okay? Multiplication between factors, okay? Between number of variables, okay? So if you have something like this, it's not factor, okay? Because the plus or minus, okay? All right. Check this out. Your goal is to get something like this. So look at the first term and the second term. What is the common factor? You see that y plus 3 is? Okay. That means we can factor out y plus 3. Okay. If we factor out y plus 3, look at this. Y plus 3 times what equal y squared? Y squared, right? This plus go here. We factor a positive number. We don't have to worry about the sign. The sign here still stays the same. Now, y plus 3 times what equal to 4 times y plus 3? Got to be 4, right? So you see that this is the final answer. Once you're done with the factoring, it's something multiply something. Okay, a factor multiply a factor. So this is how you saw example 9 on page 349.